कश्यप शर्मा और आप मेरे साथ हैं हिस्ट्री फॉक्स चैनल पे। आज हम एक नई सीरीज डिस्कस करेंगे दैट इज द कल्चरल हिस्ट्री ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज applicable for all exams, that is case exam, SSB, account assistant, panchayat account assistant, your teachers, your JK bank, everything related to Jammu and Kashmir pertaining to culture we will going to discuss. Okay, and we'll follow a new pattern, that is we divided Jammu and Kashmir according to district wise we will divide, and district wise we'll discuss the cultural significance of every district. And today we will start with the very famous district Punch. Punch district is known as that is land of Sufis. पुंछ डिस्ट्रिक्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? सूफीज की जो है जमीन बोलते हैं. सो लैंड ऑफ सूफीज, देर आर सो मैनी ziyarats, or there is so many pilgrimage center of Sufis in the area of Punch. Okay, also now our focus is Punch and cultural heritage of Punch. हम हिस्टोरिकल कंटेक्स्ट में करेंगे लेकिन हम हिस्ट्री ऑफ पुंछ नहीं करेंगे. हमारा यहाँ पे फोकस जो है इसके प्लेसेस पे होगा. Places of you can say that important tourist destination are important places, cultural places, historical places, tourist places. Okay, तो ये सारी हम चीजें जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज योर प्रेजेंट जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन ऑफ पुंछ. ऑफ कोर्स पुंछ जो है इट इज अ बॉर्डर एरिया. आपका जो एलओसी के साथ जो है पड़ता है, दिस इज पुंछ, दिस इज पुंछ. तो ये जो है 1947 से पहले इट वाज द वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट. 1947 से वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट, पहले वन डिस्ट्रिक्ट था. 1947 में क्या हुआ? इट वाज डिवाइडेड एंड प्रेजेंटली हमारे पास जो है आज की डेट में वी आर लेफ्ट विद ओनली वन थर्ड ऑफ पुंछ. ओके, सो दिस इज द इंटायर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. ये जम्मू एंड कश्मीर है हमारा. ओके, एंड दिस इज लद्दाख. तो सी दिस इज सम इम्पोर्टेंट बिग डिस्ट्रिक्ट, जैसे ये किश्तवाड़ है. किश्तवाड़ जम्मू कश्मीर का सबसे बड़ा है. एंड दिस इज योर जम्मू. ये जम्मू है. दिस इज राजौरी है. ये सांबा है. ये कठुआ है. ओके, तो ये उधमपुर है. तो इस तरीके से जो है, बट आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुंछ. ओके, so this is your area, this is your union territory of Ladakh, this is Kargil, this is Kishtwar. And आज हमारा जो कंसर्न है दैट इज पुंछ. सो पुंछ को अलग अलग तरीके से भी लिखा जाता है. पुंछ भी लिखा जाता है, पुंछ भी लिखा जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज जोरी एंड सो ऑन. हम जो है सब्सिक्वेंटली दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स को कवर करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज अगेन दिस इज पुंछ. नाउ सी दिस इज पुंछ बॉर्डर एरिया. दिस इज पुंछ. दिस इज मुजफ्फराबाद, दैट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ POK. ओके, सो जो पाकिस्तान में जो पुंछ बचा हुआ है, द कैपिटल ऑफ पाकिस्तान पुंछ इज रावलाकोट. एंड यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट देयर इज नाउ आज की डेट में देयर इज अ ट्रेड लिंक बिटवीन पुंछ एंड रावलाकोट. जो है हमारा बिजनेस है प्रेजेंटली अभी जो है ये बंद पड़ा हुआ है. ओके, सो दिस इज प्रेजेंटली मैप ऑफ पुंछ. ये मैप है पुंछ का. नाउ यू कैन सी द तहसील ऑफ पुंछ. दिस इज पुंछ एंड हवेली. दिस इज मंडी, वेरी फेमस फॉर Buddha Amarnath. This is Surnakot. Surnakot is known for its ब्यूटिक सीनिक ब्यूटिक. यहाँ पे सुरनकोट में आपका जो है नूरी छम एरिया है. सुरनकोट में आपकी पीर की गली है. ओके, अगेन दिस इज मेंढर. मेंढर में भी बहुत सारे हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस हैं. दिस इज मानकोट. ऑफ कोर्स इट इज अ बॉर्डर एरिया है. एंड दिस इज द बालकोट. सो 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. तो 6 है. ओके, now this is a some kind of historical insight of Punch. पुंछ इज आल्सो नोन एज कश्मीर सगीर. कश्मीर सगीर जो है वो पुंछ को जो है हम बोलते हैं. ओके, सो पुंछ इज नोन एज कश्मीर सगीर. कश्मीर सगीर बोलते हैं पुंछ को. और पुंछ इज आल्सो नोन एज मिनी कश्मीर. मिनी कश्मीर भी बोला जाता है. ओके, पुंछ हैज हैड नोन फॉर नोन हिस्ट्री सिंस एपिक एजेस. पुंछ की हिस्ट्री जो है बहुत पुरानी है. इट इज द हिस्ट्री, इट इज हैविंग इमेमोरियल हिस्ट्री, टाइम इमेमोरियल. And it is said that the natives of the Punch believe that Lord Ram and Pandavas they visited area during their Vanvas. Okay, so Vanvas के time period में or during their exile they visited that particular area. How? Because in Rajouri and in Punch area we discover many Pandavas temple. We discover many structures built by, supposed to be built by This Lord Ram and other legends, Punch got its name from Maharishi Pulastya. Pulastya ऋषि से इनका नाम आया पुंछ का. And who was the Pulastya ऋषि? Pulastya ऋषि was grandfather of Ravan. रावण का जो है ग्रैंडफादर जो है दैट वाज पुलस्त्य ऋषि. और रावण का जो दादा जो था वो पुलस्त्य ऋषि था. रावण के फादर का क्या नाम था? ऋषि विशर्वा. सो पुंछ का नाम जो है द नेम पुंछ केम फ्रॉम द ग्रैंडफादर ऑफ रावण. आफ्टर हिम द area came to be known as Pulastanagar. Pulastanagar, which with the passage of time got distorted from Pulas to Printus. So it got named जैसे name नाम जो है it corrupted from Pulas to Printus, Printus to Prum, and ultimately it became Punch. So Pulastya to Printus, Printus to Prum, and now it is known as Punch. And in Kashmiri language, it is still known as Poon. So that is Pulastya Rishi. Okay. Now Punch was the part of Abhisar region. Abhisar region के time period was a part of it was part of Abhisar during the time period of Alexander. It is said when Alexander attacked northwest part of India, except Raja Porus, all other Raja submitted or submission kiya in front of Alexander. So the Raja of Abhisar, he was also known as Raja Ambi. So the area also came under Abhisar kingdom. Okay, so Rajatarangani mentioned Punch as the name Paronsa. Rajatarangani also mentioned about Punch. During the time period of Mahabharata, the area was under Kamboj Mahajanpad. So we got the evidences in ancient India. There are 16 Mahajanpad and there are two Mahajanpad outside the political boundary of present India. One is Kamboj and other is Gandhar. Kamboj having capital at that is Rajpur. So Kamboj capital Rajpur, Kamboj also included. That is the present day Punch. Okay, according to around 1815, Punch became the sovereign state. So who was the first independent ruler of Punch? That is Raja Nar. And it is said he was the horse trader. Okay. According to Rajatarangani, Raja Trilochan Pal of Punch, he gave a tough fight to Mahmud of Ghazni. So Mahmud of Ghazni invaded Punch area. Actually, he was going towards Kashmir. So Punch was on the way to Kashmir. In 1020, he invaded Kashmir, but on the way, he was not exactly, he was defeated by that particular Raja, but the Tirlochan Pal, he gave a tough fight. And what was the headquarter of Tirlochan Pal? That is, he belonged to the Lohara dynasty, and the Tirlochan Pal had a very big fort that is Loran. Okay, so there is a one area in Punch district that is a Loran. So Loran, a prominent one of the district, one of the area of Punch, present Punch. So it was a seat of headquarter or seat of power of Lohara dynasty of the Lochinpal. He gave a very tough fight to that is Mahmud of Ghazni. Okay, and during the Mughal rule, Jahangir made Sirajuddin as a ruler of Punch in 1596. And for your kind information, 1586, कश्मीर वॉज कंकर्ड बाय अकबर. सो अकबर ने कश्मीर को कंकर किया. जहांगीर वॉज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ पुंछ. सो जहांगीर बिल्ट मैनी सराइज. ओके, सो मैनी रेस्ट हाउसेस फ्रॉम लाहौर टू कश्मीर. सो लाहौर से कश्मीर की तरफ जाते हुए देर इज Punch on the way and he constructed many sarais. Okay, so the Mughal had their presence in Punch as well. Okay, so during the time period of Jahangir, the first ruler of Mughal, first governor of Mughal was appointed there. Okay, then again Punch played a very important role in 1947. So after the independence, there was a rebellion in the western part of Punch. Yes, I told you there is this is says oh, this is Punch and this is the Punch in India and this is the western Punch presently. It is in Pakistan. So there was a rebellion led by Sardar Muhammad Ibrahim Khan. Okay, he supported the separate idea of Pakistan. So he led what he did. He led uprising. In response, the conflict was turned into Indo-Pak War of 1947. So it was the Punch Rebellion. Okay, so Punch Rebellion led to Indo-Pak War. So that is one of the reason Poonch is also known as battlefield of Kashmir. So Poonch को battlefield of Kashmir भी बोलते हैं. Why? Because rebellion was started in the area of Poonch in 1947, and who led the rebellion? Sardar Muhammad Ibrahim Khan. Okay, and present day that is Poonch of Pakistan included the following tehsil, that is Bagh, Sadnoti, Haveli, and Poonch district itself. And the capital of Poonch, Pakistan, Poonch is Rawalakot. So Bagh State, Sadnoti Tehsil, Bagh Tehsil, Sadnoti Tehsil, Haveli, and Poonch district. There are some other area POK, presently POK, that is Mirpur, that is Kotli, that is Bimbar. So apart from that is Poonch is there. Poonch is again a very very big state. Okay, now the present context में देखा पुंछ historical inside there is तहसील्स बालाकोट हवेली मंडी मानकोट मेंढर एंड सोरनकोट. आज की डेट में पुंछ में टोटल कितनी तहसील हैं? 6. एंड व्हाट इज द लिटरेसी रेट? दैट इज 66.74. दैट इज very very low as compared to the national literacy rate, and the sex ratio is 893. And among the present states, present तहसील्स, फेमस तहसील जो फेमस तहसील कौन सी है? दैट इज सुरनकोट. सुरनकोट जो है इट इज 27 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम पुंछ. क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन रिजेंबल टू कश्मीर. ओके, एंड द प्रोमिनेंट एरिया, historical area, tourist spot, that is Nuri Cham and Pir Ki Gali. Okay, and Mender that is 16 kilometer from Poonch. Krishna Ghati again a very very strategic position. Ziyarat Chote Mia and Ramkund जो है it is the main. Now we'll discuss in detail the important tourist destination of the Poonch. Okay, so this is the religious composition. That is Islam जो है, follower of Islam is 90, more than 90%, followed by Hinduism, Sikhism, Christianity, and there are some atheist population as well. Okay, so come to the historical places of Poonch. तो सबसे prominent place जो है that is number one, that's the Poonch Fort. Still you can witness the Poonch Fort and look at the architecture of Poonch. If you see it minutely, it little bit resemble with our Parliament House. Okay, so it was built by Raja Abdul Razak Khan in 1713, but the later on the construction was carried by Raja Rustam Khan, and of course it was influenced by Mughal architecture, and it is a big place. And present condition जो है, that is the present condition of Poonch Fort, that is a very very pathetic, दयनीय स्थिति है. ओके, तो आपको दया आएगी अगर आप पुंछ फोर्ट देखोगे, इसकी हालत देखोगे. ओके, so then again there is a religious place, that is the Dashnami Akhada temple. Akhada temple is very very important आज की डेट में. Okay, it is supposed to be a center of power during the Dogra rule from this time period to this time, and it is said that the temple was constructed by Muslim person. Okay, it was constructed by Raja Rustam Khan. Raja Rustam Khan constructed that is famous Akhada temple. Okay, okay, so during the time period of Dogra rule, it became very, very popular. And presently, the Chadi Mubarak Yatra, or you can say that there is a Chadi Mubarak Yatra, jo hai, it begins from Poonch to Buddha Amarnath temple, that is, it is in Mandi Tehsil. Okay, so again, it is Akhada temple of Poonch, very, very popular. Then Lower Devta temple, it is in Mender. ये मेंढर में है, again a very very popular temple. And मेंढर में ही जो है there is a, you can say that Krishna Ghati range भी है, that is Lower Ghati temple. So it resemble, ये जो है it resemble with Buddhism, Buddhist art के साथ resemble करता है. According to Rajatarangani के accordingly, initially the inhabitant of Poonch area, they followed Buddhism. Buddhism को जो है वो follow करते थे. Okay, then Ramkund जो है again it is in Mender तहसील में है. This is the Ramkund. There are 3 kund. Kund means source of water. Okay, 1 kund, 3 kund. One is for Lord Ram, then Lakshman, then Sita Kund. Okay, and it is supposed to be renovated by Lalitya Aditya ने इसको रेनोवेट किया. ललित्यादित्य जो है 8th century का जो है, that is of Karkota dynasty, and it is supposed to be built by Lord Ram. So it is older than Lalitaditya time period, that is Ramkund in Mender. Okay, now this is very popular, one of my favorite area in Punch district. That's the Nuri Cham. So Nuri Cham जो है basically Nuri Cham जो है it is basically a waterfall. It is a waterfall, and it is said that when Jahangir visited from Lahore to Kashmir, when Mughals visited Lahore to Kashmir, on the way there are many waterfall, and it is supposed to be one of the favorite waterfall of नूर जहां. नूर जहां का जो है वो सबसे फेवरेट वाटरफॉल कौन सा था? दिस वन. दिस इज लोकेटेड in in Surancoat, and it is said that this is the waterfall. इस waterfall में now this is the shape of the waterfall. Let me clear. So this is the shape of the waterfall. This is the shape of the waterfall. नूर जहां placed a big mirror. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा mirror जो है, यहाँ पे भी आज के still date we found stone, and in between stone there was mirror. So Noor Jahan used to, you can say that it was placed for her makeup. Okay, so this is very important. Noori Cham. Okay, Queen Noor Jahan, who it's believed used to take bath during her visit to Kashmir. It is also believed that she had a mirror fixed in the mountain wall where she used to get her makeup done after her bath. Situated 45 kilometers from the town of Punch in Surankot Tehsil and 200 kilometers from Jammu. 75 feet fall originate. Waterfall की height कितनी है? How much waterfall? 75 feet. Okay, and it is originated from, that is Panjtarani Marg, Gumsar and Mastan Marg. Okay, तो यहाँ पे जो है ये इसका source है, and it is supposed to be very important for Mughals. Okay, so Nuri Cham. Okay, so then nearby Nuri Cham there is again Girgan Talk. गिरगन डॉक जो है यहाँ पे एक और इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेस है, पीर की गली, वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड दिस इज द टॉप वेयर वी फाउंड 7 lakes. इट इज द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एरिया इन द पुंछ एरिया, in the Punch district. Okay, 7 lakes. Okay, it is a great example of scenic beauty. Okay, and elevation is somewhere around 12,000 feet. And what are the 7 lakes? What are the 7 lakes important? That is Suksar, Chandan Sar, Bagh Sar, Neel Sar, Kali Dhanchani, Kathora, and Nandan Sar. And Nandan Sar is supposed to be the biggest. So this is the Nandan Sar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. Okay, so this is the important lakes, that is Valley of 7 lakes. Presently, you can visit there. Okay, then again there is a waterfall that is known as the Nandi Shul. Okay, it is a Loran Valley, 33 kilometer from Punch. Nandi Shul is a wonderful waterfall. Okay, and it is the Loran area में जो है that is Nandi Shul. So यहाँ पे इसकी height कम है, लेकिन इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा height है. Okay, and it formed during the winter. It formed in the shape of a त्रिशूल. ये त्रिशूल की शेप में बन जाता है, ट्रेनेट बन जाता है, ट्रीडेंट बन जाता है. तीन जो है इसके पार्ट्स में जो है वो डिवाइड हो जाता है, एंड इट इज एसोसिएटेड डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली विद लॉर्डशिप. Okay, then again on the Mughal road there are different sarais, and this is the most popular sarai. Okay, this is the most popular sarai that was in Pir Panjal range. It is in Pir Panjal range. This sarai was built by Jahangir. Jahangir ने ये built किया. Likewise there are so many other sarais as well, and this sarai was constructed by an Iranian architect, that is Ali Mardan Khan. ओके, सो अली मर्दान खान ने ये सराय जो है ये बनाया. ओके, सो इट इज अ हिस्टोरिकल रेस्ट हाउस constructed by Emperor Jahangir during the 16th century. It was the 14th halting station. Okay, so like Alidabad Sarai, there are other 13s as well. And apart from this, there is another important sarai that is in Rajouri, that is Chingas. Okay, so Chingas Sarai is another popular sarai on the Mughal road. Okay. Okay, so there are ziyarats are there. Again, this is nearby Pir Panjal. That is Ziyarat Ahmad Shah Karim, and it is says it is supposed to be in the Pir Panjal range, or you can say that in the Pir Ki Gali. This person used to live there and used to do the meditation. and it is said Jahangir met him couple of times, and after his death, a ziyarat बनाई गई. Okay, and of course he was converted from Hinduism. Okay, जितने भी ziarats हैं, most of the saints were initially they were the Hindus. Okay, so according to a legend, a peer, okay, peer means a guru or a teacher. Sheikh Ahmad Karim lived and meditated on Peer Ki Gali during the time period of Jahangir. He is said to have been converted from Hinduism. Ziyarat Ahmad Shah Karim. Okay, so this is the famous Peer Ki Gali. Peer Ki Gali जो है, it is the most important place, the most beautiful place on the way of Mughal road, on the way of Mughal road. Okay, and of course the Peer Ki Gali had so many legends, so many myths. It is said that the famous Nand Rishi, Nand Rishi is associated with Peer Ki Gali. Some say that it is Sheikh Ahmad Karim associated with Peer Ki Gali. But anyhow, it is considered to be very, very important. It is considered to be the highest point on the Mughal road. Okay, so Peer Ki Gali, 13th-14th century, deriving its name from converted Hindu saint, that is Sheikh Ahmad Karim or Nand Rishi. Okay, it is the heart of the Mughal road. It is the highest point of the Mughal road. It is 40 km from Shopian and 80 km from Punch. Basically, this Peer Ki Gali joined Punch with Kashmir. Okay, so it is a kind of a pass hai. Okay, so there is a Punch and there is a beginning of Kashmir through Shopian district. Okay, then again the Loran village, entire Loran village is so beautiful that you can have a separate documentary on Loran. Okay, Loran jo hai, it was a headquarter or seat of power of Lohara dynasty. So there is a Loran fort is also there. Okay, which was not conquered by, which was a very difficult for, it became a very difficult for even the Mahmud of Ghazni. Okay, so it is present near the beginning of Pir Panjal. It is a small stream. There is a Loran stream. Loran Nala was there, and the fort was earlier known as Loran Court, which was once the capital of Punch or the capital of Lohara, and the remains of which are still found till date. Okay. Then that is Behramgala. Again, this is place where Jahangir died. यहाँ पे जहांगीर की डेथ हुई थी 1627 when he was coming from Kashmir. Okay, so it is a small plateau found on historic Mughal road. Mughal road जो है it was constructed by Akbar. Okay, later on present time period में it was reconstructed by Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. Okay, so it is the Behramgala is a very beautiful place. It is situated on the confluence of two rivers, that is Parnai and that is Thattapani. Okay, is found, not found, found. Okay. So then again there is a Dera Gali. Again there is a pass. Okay, from Punch, a thick forest all around. It is very very heighted place, and suppose again it is very very beautiful. Dera Gali, Dera Gali. Okay. Then Buddha Amarnath Mandir, that is in the northeast of Punch. It is again situated on two confluence, two river, that is Nalagadi Gagati or Pulasta Nadi. Again it is in Mandi area. Buddha Amarnath. Amarnath, that is, it is again associated with Lord Shiv. The Shiv temple, very very beautiful. Then Nangali Sahib Gurdwara again it is considered to be very very important place for the Sikhs. Okay, it is nearby 7 kilometers from Punch. It is considered to be the one of the oldest shrines in northern India for the Sikh community. It was built by Thakur Bhai Feru Singh in 1803, and later on it was renovated. It was visited by Ranjit Singh himself. Okay, and the Gurdwara, present day Gurdwara, was restored or reconstructed by Mahant Bachittar Singh. It is very very beautiful. Okay, and next is Krishna Ghati. Krishna Ghati, it is in Mender. It is a beautiful landscape. Krishna Ghati, it is a border area, always remain in news for cross border infiltration. So Krishna Ghati, but it can be, you can say, transformed into a tourist destination. Then there are so many ziyarats, okay, in Mender Tahsil. Ziyarat Chote Shah Sahib. Okay, it is in Mender Tahsil. Okay, Mentor Tehsil में there is a very small गांव साखी. The ziyarat was built in the memory of Saint Sakhi, and just nearby this pir we found a temple supposed to be built by Pandavas. Okay, Pandavas का temple भी हमें यहाँ से मिलता है. It is very very important place. Then Ziyarat Sai Mir, there is Sai Miran. There in Jammu, there is one place that is Miran Sahib. Okay, so Miran Sahib जो है वो इन्हीं के नाम से रखा गया है. Again, it is in Punch area. This is Ziyarat of great spiritual saint Saint Miran Sahib, who originally belonged to POK. Okay, so there are so many ziyarats. Then ziyarat Saint Alahi Baksh Sahib, again in Mandi. This Darwish had taught the philosophy of universal brotherhood and peace. Of course, the entire Sufism taught the philosophy of peace, brotherhood, love. Okay, then ziyarat Hanpir, again it is in Mandi area. Mandi area में है. Then Ziyarat Dansha Sitar, again it is located in Surnakot area. There are so many ziyarats. And the important personalities of Punch area, one is that is Krishna Chandra. Krishna Chandra is a very very popular poet, very important personality of Punch area. He was a renowned Urdu fiction writer who wrote number of novels. Okay, he wrote more than 35 novels. More than 35 novels जो है that was written by that is Krishna Chandra. And the most important is Mitti Ke Sanam, that is Gadar, that is Shikast. Shikast matlab defeat. Then Bavan Patte. Okay, so Krishna Chandra, very very popular. Then Chirag Hassan Hasrat. He was a great Urdu writer and poet. Originally, he was born in. You can say that originally he was born in Baramulla, but he spent most of his life in Punj. Okay, Chirag Hassan Hasrat. Okay, then it is said that former Justice M.M. Punchi, okay, as Chief Justice of India, he also belonged from Punch. There is famous Punchi report, okay, that was submitted by him. Okay, then Ghulam Hassan Lasanvi, again a very very popular person. Okay, so this is all about Punch area. Next, we'll discuss some other important district of Jammu and Kashmir with respect to cultural achievements. Okay, so this is you can say that this is you're watching History Fox channel. Please like it, subscribe it, and share it with at least 100%. Okay, so take a pledge to share it with at least 100%. So this is me, Kashyap Sharma. Thank you so much and Jai Hind.